Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Samar Anjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhayandar. Today I am going to explain part 2 of chapter 6, chapter 5 antenna. In this part we are going to discuss antenna theory, antenna types and the different antenna. So the first is antenna theory and fundamental. So this antenna is commonly used with the array type antenna. So this diagram shows the picture of Yagi-Uda antenna. So it is used with the array type antenna to increase the feed register. So the most commonly used is Yagi-Uda antenna. So it is also called as a half wave folded dipole antenna. So this antenna uses an extra conducting element. So when compared with the previous dipole antenna, so this is continued by placing the few conducting elements in parallel. So यहाँ पे जो rods दिख रहे हैं, so these are the conducting elements are connected in parallel with the insulation in between the array type of antennas. So generally Yagi-Uda antennas are used for the TV reception. Also made up of one driven element. It consists of the director and reflector also. Now the construction, it consists of director. So director is the shortest of parasitic element, and this end of Yagi is aimed at the receiving station. So it is resonant slightly higher in frequency than the driven element, and its length will be about 5% shorter progressively than the ड्रिवन एलिमेंट. सो द डायरेक्टर मतलब डायरेक्ट करना है, किसको डायरेक्ट करना है, सिग्नल को किसके पास डायरेक्ट करना है, टुवर्ड्स अ रिफ्लेक्स सोर्स. दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ डायरेक्टर. द अमाउंट ऑफ गेन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ ऑफ एंटीना array and not by the number of directors. Another component is a reflector. So reflector drives its main power from a driver. It reduces the signal strength in its own direction, and thus it reflects the radiation towards the driver and director. So driven element is where the signal is intercepted by the receiving element and has a cable attached that takes the received signal to the receiver. Now this is a diagram of half wave folded dipole antenna. So this is one of the popular antenna type. Due to its 300 ohm impedance. So the folded dipole antenna is made up of 300 ohm twin lead. So यहाँ पे दो लीड है. जो सेकंड वाला लीड है वो सेंटर में एंड्स उसके शोल्डर है. So this is variation of the standard half wavelength dipole antenna. As shown in figure, two parallel conductors are connected at the ends with वन साइड ओपन एट द सेंटर. सो यहाँ पे जो सेंट्रल पार्ट है वो ओपन है और यहाँ पे ट्रांसमिशन लाइंस जो है कनेक्टेड है. तो स्पेसिंग बिटवीन द कंडक्टर्स इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी. द एडवांटेजेस, सो रिसेप्शन ऑफ बैलेंस सिग्नल्स एंड रिसीव्स द पर्टिकुलर सिग्नल फ्रॉम अ बैंड ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसीज विदाउट लूजिंग द क्वालिटी. Folded dipole, this antenna maximizes the signal strength. Now the disadvantage of this antenna is displacement and adjustment of antenna is hassle, and outdoor management is difficult by using this antenna. So application, so it mainly uses feeder element in Yagi-Uda antenna, parabolic antenna, turnstile antenna, log periodic antenna, phase and reflector arrays. So generally this is used in radio receivers and mostly also used in TV receiver antennas. So another type of antenna is a microstrip patch antenna. So this antenna type is made with the microstrip based design on PCB. So hence it is called as microstrip patch antenna. So this antenna is basically circular, either circular form में रहेगा या rectangular form में रहेगा. So between these there will be insulating surface. So in the case of rectangular antenna, width is approximately half of the wavelength. While in case of circular antenna, diameter depend करता है. So it is approximately 0.55 to 0.59 of wavelength. So another antenna type is a horn antenna. So the energy of the beam when slowly transformed into radiation, it loses the losses are reduced and the focusing of the beam improves. So horn antenna may be considered as a flared out waveguide by which the directivity is improved and the diffraction is reduced. Another types of horn antennas are also available. So first is a sectoral horn. So this type of horn antenna flares out in only one direction. So flaring in the direction of electric vector produces the sectoral E-plane horn. Pyramidal horn. So this type of horn antenna has flaring on both sides. So flaring is done on both the E and H walls of rectangular waveguide. So this is called as a pyramidal horn antenna, and a conical horn. So when the walls of a circular waveguide are flared, it is known as conical horn. So this is a logical termination of a circular waveguide. So यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर शो हो रहा है वो है आपका डिफरेंट हॉर्न एंटीनास का. Now the advantages of horn antenna. So these are the following advantages. First is the impedance matching is good, directivity good, then beam width is narrow and the standing waves are avoided. Disadvantages है कि डिजाइनिंग जो है फ्लेयर एंगल का that decides the directivity and the flare angle and length of the flare should not be very small. So applications है it is generally used in astronomical studies and used for the television reception. Construction and working of loop antenna. So another type of antenna is a loop antenna. So the loop antenna is a coil carrying radio frequency current. So it may be in a shape like circular, rectangular, triangular, square or hexagonal according to the designer's convenience. So large loop antennas. There are two types of antennas, large loop antennas and small loop antennas. So large loop antennas are also called as a resonant antenna. So they have high radiation efficiency. So these antennas have length nearly equal to the intended wavelength. So यहाँ पे formula दिया है L is equal to lambda by L. So L is the length of antenna and the lambda is the wavelength. So by using this parameter we can calculate the length of large loop antenna. Another type of antenna is a small loop antenna. So these are called as magnetic loop antenna. So these are less resonant as compared to large loop antenna. So these are commonly used as receivers. So again here one formula has given. So one is L is equal to lambda into L. So by using this we can calculate the length of antenna. Now these are the two types of antennas. One is a circular loop antenna and another one is a square loop antenna. So this is the radiation pattern. Now the advantages है it is compact in size and its directivity high. Disadvantage है impedance matching may not be always good and it has very high resonance quality factor. And application it is used in RFID devices, used in medium frequency, high frequency short wave receivers, aircraft receivers में use होता है for direction finding and also used in UHF transmitter. Thank you.